Here are the list of outstanding students of grade 3 level, school year 2020-2021. Honors. Isulat Aisha Karil D. 3 Eagle with high honors.
Education is a continuous process of learning. Through the years, the Infant Jesus Montessori Center produces students who are academically and morally prepared. Even in this time of pandemic, the IGMC did not stop to encourage and establish the youth on their morals for their future preparedness. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to welcome you all to our first virtual recognition for this school year 2020 to 2021 with the theme Strengthening of the Quality Education amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, to highlight that amidst all the challenges, the learner's right to inclusive and quality education and to safety from the health risk of COVID-19 must be given priority. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present to you the strong faculty members of Infant Jesus Montessori Center. And now, our dearest administrators, Mrs. Erlinda A. Tiglao, School Head, Miss Leticia S. Carpio, School Finance Officer, Miss Antonina L. Narvaez, School Coordinator, Miss Lillian M. Rosario, First Aid Nurse, Mrs. Vilia I. Frugalidad, School Guidance Coordinator, Miss Annette I. Imperial, Officer in Charge, IJMC Annex 1, Mr. Emmanuel Roy I. Imperial, Registrar, IJMC Annex 1, Mrs. Leticia A. Lavilla, Officer in Charge, IJMC Annex 2, Mrs. Zenaida R. Saclayan, Registrar, IJMC Annex 2. God is almighty and good. We offer you this momentous occasion. Truly, we're glad because you have made this event possible through your grace, compassion, and love. Let us listen to the prayer song entitled, Prayer to the Holy Infant Jesus.
Holy Infant Jesus, the amiable child Jesus, our guardian and protector, our model in all virtues, our guide in all endeavors, our strength and our studies. Indeed, your generous kindness goes beyond our merits, and the fondest hopes of our prayers. Shower us with your love, shower us with your love. Forgive us the sins of which our conscience are afraid. Grant us the blessing we dare not ever ask for. With all fervors of our souls, hear our prayers. Shower us with your love, shower us with your love. Forgive us the sins of which our conscience are afraid. Grant us the blessing we dare not ever ask for. With all fervors of our souls, hear our prayers. Amen, amen.
Let us give honor to our nation by listening to our national anthem, followed by Panatang Makabayan, Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas, Calabarzon Hymn, and Kabuyaw Hymn.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, makituwing at araw niya kailan pamay di magtitindig. Luman ang araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pagkay mga api, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Panatang Makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupkup ako at tinutulungan upang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diringgin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng mamamayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap at pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas. Panunumpa ng katapatan sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa.
Dito sa timog Katagalugan, sumibol ang bagong pangalan. Ang kaunlaran kay bilis at masakana. Lahat kami may pagkakaisa, sa Pilipinas sama-sama. Mabuhay ang Calabarzon, Calabarzon sa habang panahon. Lalawig ang Rizal, Cavite, Luna, Batangas, Quezon, at mga lungsod pa. Antipolo, San Pablo, Cavite, Luzon, Batangas, Calamba, Santa Rosa, Dasmariñas, Tayabas, Imus, Ampon, Piña, Cahuya, Pinagpiyas, Malaman at Lito. Hey, hey! Ang kawani ay tangi-tangi, at lingkod ay laging-tangi. Ayan naman sa Diyos ang aming lahi, kamatayan ay paunlarin. Ito ang unang layunin. Mabuhay ang Calabarzon, Calabarzon sa habang panahon. Lalawig ang Rizal, Cavite, Luna, Batangas, Quezon, at mga lungsod pa. Antipolo, San Pablo, Cavite, Luzon, Batangas, Calamba, Santa Rosa, Dasmariñas, Tayabas, Imus, Bacoor, Biñan, Cahuya, Pinagpiyas, Tanawan at Lito. Hey, hey! Dito sa timog Katagalugan, sumibol ang bagong pangalan. Ang kaunlaran kay bilis at masakana. Lahat kami may pagkakaisa, sa Pilipinas sama-sama. Mabuhay ang Calabarzon, Calabarzon sa habang panahon. Mabuhay ang Calabarzon, Calabarzon sa habang panahon. Mabuhay!
Kabuyaw na aming sinisinta, sa amin ay dakila ka. Dahil sa'yo'y laging may pag-asa, ang buhay ng bawat isa. Kabuyang na sa amin ay gabay, pagkasa'y lagi mong taglay. Papuri ang sa'yo'y inaalay, pagkat ikaw ang siyang buhay. Kabuyaw na aming minamahal, patuloy at laging isisigaw, Ikaw ang buhay, isip at damang. Ikaw sa amin ang ilaw. Kabuyang na sa diyang sakdal ganda. Ika'y huwara ng bawat isa. Sa amin ay walang katulad ka. Bukod tanging naiiba. O bayan ng kabuyang, sa amin ay ikaw. O bayan ng kabuyang, liwanag at tanglaw. Kabuyang namin minamahal, patuloy at laging isisigaw. Ikaw ang buhay, isip at damang. Ikaw sa amin ang ilaw. Kabuyang na sa diyang sakdal ganda. Ika'y huwara ng bawat isa. Sa amin ay walang katulad ka. Bukod tanging naiiba.
Congratulations!
Here are the outstanding pupils from grade 3 level, headed by the advisor and chairman, Mr. Jomar P. Velasco, together with Mr. Alprince A. Rafael.
Here are the list of outstanding students of grade 3 level, school year 2020-2021. Murka Istalin Lester C., 3 Eagle, with high honors. Caranto Iana Siren L., 3 Eagle, with high honors. Chavez Princess Kashmira Don R., 3 Eagle, with high honors. Isulat Aisha Karil D., 3 Eagle, with high honors. Gauja Andrea Jane R., 3 Eagle, with high honors. Abong Shaniel, 3 Eagle, with honors. Salisayon Raj Zamiel, 3 Maya, with honors. Deyanyo Wayne Luis G., 3 Eagle, with honors. Oros Natanya Francesca G., 3 Eagle, with honors. Gabarda Jacob, 3 Maya, with honors. Fajardo Ren Jasper N., 3 Maya, with honors. Jera Nishan Guy L., 3 Eagle, with honors. Lara Elijah Felix, 3 Maya, with honors. Mercado Marcos Augustus G., 3 Eagle, with honors. Ogad Aliyah Jane N., 3 Eagle, with honors. Hernandez Harkiel D., 3 Maya, with honors. Manansala Kyler Allen D., 3 Maya, with honors. Ocampo Tiffany Kate M., 3 Eagle, with honors. Cabrias Justin David M., 3 Maya, with honors. Castillo Gerson Lay L., 3 Eagle, with honors. Escobar Edelweiss Aiden P. Sri Maya with honors. Gonzalez Audrey Jamil D. Sri Maya with honors. Yato Mark Karen A. Sri Maya with honors. Cuesta Kit B. Sri Maya with honors. Santos Carl Yuri M. Sri Eagle with honors. Halili Miguel C. Sri Maya with honors. And Mortel Nathan Gabriel F. Sri Maya with honors. Congratulations and God bless.
Congratulations to all awardees.
This time, let us acknowledge the undying support of our beloved parents for the success of their child. Congratulations, parents! May you continue to support your child till the end. It is a great honor and privilege to introduce to all of you our beloved principal, Mrs. Erlinda A. Tiglao, for her inspirational message.
My warmest greetings to all our students, pupils who are recipients of awards, and most of all, to our dear parents of these awardees for this school year 2020-2021. Today is momentous and memorable event for you all. In spite of what we are experiencing now, the pandemic that is in our country, but I know we can combat all of this. God is with us and will help us undergo the pandemic which the whole world is experiencing. But even with this, I'm so happy that you as awardees have still excelled in your studies because finally you have made it. The road to this is not quite easy. You went through a lot of pressure, sleepless nights, long researches, and challenging projects. Now you have garnered the awards with flying colors. For our dear parents, congratulations. You have a vital role in the development of these children. I urge you to continue to provide the guidance and support your children need to become even more successful in the coming years. I also give due recognition to all our teachers, for just as this event is a celebration of the accomplishment of our students and parents, it is too a celebration of your own accomplishments. Without your service, without your dedication as professional educators, all this will not be possible. I congratulate and thank all of our teachers for the job well done. May this occasion serve to inspire you to continue your journey toward empowerment. Congratulations and good luck to all of you.
Announcement. Dear parents, you may get now the certificate of recognition of your children and enroll them. Thank you.